In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Google Workspace Business Starter subscription. Let's face it, sometimes things change, and what once was a perfect fit for your business needs might no longer be necessary. Whether you're downsizing, switching to another service, or just looking to cut costs, cancelling a service like Google Workspace needs to be straightforward, but is often met with hesitation because, well, no one likes going through the hassle of cancellation processes. So, let's dive into the steps you need to take to cancel your Google Workspace Business Starter subscription. Remember, this whole process should take you no more than about 5 minutes if you follow along with these steps. First off, you're going to want to navigate to the Google Workspace website. It's here that you'll begin the cancellation process. Once you're on the site, the next step is pretty simple and straightforward. Choose the Google account you've associated with your Google Workspace subscription. This is important because you want to make sure you're cancelling the right subscription under the right account. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Security first, right? Google takes it seriously, and so should you. This step ensures that only you, the account holder, can make significant changes like cancelling a subscription. Following the successful entry of your password, you'll click Next. Now you're in the home stretch and almost there. Look for the square dots icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This 9-dot icon is essentially your gateway to Google's array of available services and admin settings. Clicking here will bring you to a broader menu of options. Within this menu, you need to locate and select Admin Console. The Admin Console is where all the magic happens. It's the nerve center for managing your Google Workspace services. Don't worry if it feels a bit overwhelming at first. Just stay focused on the task at hand. Now, within the Admin Console, your next move is to locate and click on Billing. This is where all your billing information is stored and managed, including your subscriptions. Under Billing, go ahead and find Subscriptions. This page will display all your current subscriptions with Google Workspace. Here's where it gets a bit more specific. You need to locate and click on your Google Workspace Business Starter subscription. This action will take you to the Subscriptions Details page, where you'll have various options regarding your subscription management. Look for the 3 dots or more icon, typically located on the right side. Clicking the 3 dots will reveal a drop-down menu, and within this menu you're looking for Cancel Subscription. It's a big step, but if you've made it this far, chances are you're sure about your decision. Clicking Cancel Subscription will initiate the cancellation process. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the Google Workspace maze to cancel your Business Starter subscription. Remember to keep an eye on your email in case Google sends any confirmation or further instructions. Before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning that cancelling a subscription like this can come with certain implications, like losing access to services tied to Google Workspace. So ensure you've backed up or migrated any necessary data before taking these steps. There you have it, a simple guide to cancelling your Google Workspace Business Starter subscription. We hope this video has made the process easier for you, saving you time and potential headaches. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful guides like this. Thanks for watching.